Hello dear. Today I use this 27 inches square silk scarf, jasper flower seed to teach you a different method. If you want to learn different methods, remember to follow me. Fold the scarf into a triangle and hold on to the side of the right angle all the way. Keep your hand still. Hang it over the neck and hold it down with the little tail strap and come back down the bottom. Lift it up. The long part that catches the little tail around the back of the neck to the side, put 2 straps on it and fix it for 2 bars. After fixing it, give it a pull on the hem to adjust it slightly. A fashionable and generous and foreign style shell is finished. The silk scarf was folded into a triangle. Lift up the right side and fold it in half. Keep folding. When you're done, hold the fold, put a rubber band around it and secure it and hold the fold. And hold the hem. Put it on top of our necks with this little tail and put it in through the hole in the rubber band. Pull it to the side, find the little tail, and pull the long one down and around to our side. Tuck it in. Then go around and find these 2 straps and open it left and right, and open the hem. A 3-dimensional fashion and foreign style of a phoenix tail flower is finished. A long one and a short one over the shoulder, and the long one to hold down the short one. Grab the short one, grab the long one through the hole in the neck, and pull out a little hole, and hook the little hole we pulled out. Give it a pinch at the bottom. The little bag on this side is put in through the hole. Lift it out, put a hand in to hold it, and then lift it out the other way with this tail. Tighten the middle section, open the hem. A retro fashion and western style of the piece section is complete. Take the scarf in your hand, find the middle place, put it in your hand, and turn it around, and then give it through this hole to grab this ribbon in front of us and pull it out. Gently pull it into a small triangle on the front of us. The 2 straps in the back, 2 bars fixed. This is done in a very beautiful and simple diamond knot. The silk scarf is folded in half in the hand to form a rectangle. Find our long little edge and pick it up and fold it in half. Grab it after you've folded it. I'm going to put a rubber band around it and secure it, and when I'm done, take these 2 little corners down here. Pick it up and tie 2 little bars behind it and once you've got it in place, you find this little corner and you put it under the hole, and when you put it down, you unfolded this little piece of tape. Find the middle place and pull it. The side is also open to it. Adjust. A very fashionable and elegant agric knot tying method is completed. Overlays really look good as interiors.